welcome back to my channel, and here we are again. Today I'm gonna be review the new Morphe palette. Hey, I almost hit my face again. So this palette right here is the 35V. The colors is like super cute. It's come with like more like a purpley and more blue, and decided to be more warm and metallic, which you guys gonna be seeing the next couple minutes. And yes, if you guys would like to see how I achieve this makeup look, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's get started. It's already crazy because I was waiting too long. Anyway, you're probably gonna see like a lot of this because I actually just popped my pimples, so they're a little red. Anyways, we're gonna be using the new Morphe. This is the 35V. I actually just did upload the last video using the 35M. Sorry, I think it was, yes, it was 35M. I actually got a really good response from you guys. I really appreciate all the comments and also like on the video. Literally, you guys really made my days. The color is gonna be something more like really warm and cool tone, so you get like a really nice blue and warm tone. So we're gonna try to create some look with this one using this palette. I kind of want to use something a little blue since they have some kind of blue colors in here. So the first color, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I'm gonna do the packing motion with this color because I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I really don't want it to be like patchy like blue color, so I love this packing motion when it comes to like this kind of bright color. The color is like very pigmented, just going back and forth with that same color. And then after, I'm gonna be using the shade what is this? It's Wild Thing. It's this orangey right here. To put it above my crease, I don't exactly have look in my mind, but hoping for the best here. I don't know about this blue on the crease with this orange, but definitely if it's the lid color, I feel like it's gonna be just okay.
Holy fucking god, what the fuck was that?
Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. I seriously just made such a bad decision. Real bad. I feel like we might have to like remove and like redo the whole things. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna try to take it as far as possible. Then I'm gonna borrow this yellow shade from the Julia palette, the Zulu. Just a hint of yellow above all of the color. I mean, it's not so bad, but I feel like if I could change the blue to the purple would be freaking nice. Oh, by the way, I also love the Julia palette as well. This, I have their two eyeshadow palette. There's Zulu and the other one, and I honestly really love this one because I love that bright color. I started to doing more like color now compared from like I used to go for like super warm. I mean, I'm still doing my warm color, but I kind of go towards to the color more now. Okay, so it started to like look together. It started like to come together now. It wasn't so bad the first time when you see it. I'm gonna do my best to make this eye look turn out well. And I feel like I'm gonna blend that yellow also like down to that orange shade as well. Oh boy, I thought it's gonna turn like to like really a disaster at first, but I think we start to get the hang of it. So to just kind of fix the situations even more, I'm gonna be using this the color Wild Thing, which is actually the color is this burgundy color right here. And I'm gonna mix a little bit of the Bad Boy color, which is the like a dark purple right here, with the Wild Thing color. we're still gonna put the blue color on the lid though, but I do want to do that, get that really nice cut crease first. I do want us to use the blue color, but at the same time the purple one, it looks freaking nice, you guys. I think I'm gonna use this metallic blue color right here. I'm gonna see how it looks, because when I swatch it on my hand, it doesn't look as metallic as I want it to. Let's see. Meh, I think it's okay. Okay, so we're gonna blend out this like edges right here to go back with that purple again. I'm going in with that like purple like multiple times to try to build that like crease and more definition. Okay guys, and there you have it, this beautiful blue kind of sunset kind of thing. I actually really love it. Surprisingly, I thought it was gonna be a disaster at first, but it turned out to be something looking so pretty. So I'm gonna go finish this eye right here and finish up with the lashes and the foundation, and we will be right back with the lipstick color choices. Alright you guys, everything looking super dramatic. I really hope you guys like it. I kind of like want a little extra on my cheek because I want the color to be really bright. So I'm gonna put some more. So I'm just putting a little extra. Let's see what lip liner we're gonna be using today. I have like a couple. I've been really love this lip liner from LA Girl. I think this color is called Keep It Spice. Keep It Spicy. I love the lip liner. They're like super creamy and like super easy to apply. So I'm gonna use something a little bit more light to put in the center of my lip. We're gonna be using a Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade True Story. This one right here. For the lip gloss, I'm gonna be using something a little bit more oldie but goodies from the Makeup Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. I think for the lip gloss, I'm gonna top a little bit more of the KKW Cosmetic in the shade Super Nude, water gloss.
I used to think that I would never ever gonna pull this out because the colors is like almost like white, like super light nude. So I never ever thought that I was gonna use it. So today's the day, guys.
Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. I love the eyeshadow palette, this one from Morphe. Again, it's the 35V, which is something like this. You get the warm and you also get the cool tone like this. More like purplies and more blue, and in this part you get more warm and a couple like metallic color in this area. So like I said, I kind of messed it up on the blue. So if you guys recreating this makeup look, I recommend you guys not to follow my first step because the one that I messed up with the blue color. So make sure that you change to that blue color to the dark purple color, and you guys can kind of get it a little bit more easier like this. And also I just wanted to explain a little bit to you guys what product I use on my face. So for the foundation, I was using the Beauty Blender Bounce Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation. Mine is in the shade 3.75, and this is what it looks like. So I already used it. And for the concealer, I was using the Huda Beauty, the Over Cheap Concealer, and this color is in the shade 06G. And just a little shout out to Milani, whatever that I have in the center of my eyes. I think it looks super gorgeous. Again, it's in the shade 05. It looks like this. So there's that. And also for the a little bit more extra, for my lower lashes, I use the color let me double check. For the lower lash, I was using the shade Bad Boy, which is this color right here. I use for my lower lash is the Bad Boys, and I go in with this metallic purple right here, which is the color Crush. So I'll use this two color for my lower lashes. I think them logo really nice. And for my inner corner, I was using the one of eyeshadow from the Pomegranate Mothership. It's like a really like gold yellow metallic. I would say I should have gone with a little bit more kind of like green. It looks nice though, but I wish I could have gone with something a bit more like a lighter green. Anyway, I really hope you guys have fun watching this video, and if you guys like, please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. And like I said, thank you so much for my last video and more like a good comment from you guys. I just so like I was so overwhelmed by it. I was like, I mean, you guys are so nice to me even though like my channel is very small, and it's just so cool to feel like that people are actually watching my video. And oh my god, I'm gonna get emotional. Anyway, I don't want to get more emotional than this, so I'm just gonna stop right over here and say thank you to all of you guys for the all support, even though I know it's not a lot, but I really appreciate you guys. Without you guys, I don't think I'm gonna be sitting down over here and just making more video. But this is my passion, this is what I love, this is what I do. So I just so appreciate you guys that you guys actually support me for what I love. And anyway, thank you so much you guys for watching, and if you guys would like to see more of this kind of makeup look, please don't forget to leave a comment down below. Click that notification bell so when every time I post my video, you guys can be the first one to see it. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.